think it's gonna work this time. I think so. It works! I love buying kitchen tools, especially those tiny ones that go viral on the internet from time to time. Every time I see them, I buy them. And I keep thinking to myself, there is no way they are going to work. They look too good to be true. And sometimes they surprise me. Sometimes they work. And today, since I have a new shipment of kitchen tools coming to my house, I want to make a video to test them out with you guys to see if it's a scam or if it's actually working well. Let's go! So the first item I want to test out is this one, because I literally just bought it. Guess what this is? I'm gonna give you guys some option over here. So you guys let me know, what do you think it is? Ready? It is an egg cracker. Obviously, I can crack an egg. Normally, I just use a knife and then I cut it. The problem is many times I have the eggshell mixing together with the normal egg. Another problem is that every time I use the knife, the egg get into my hand. And it's not good because egg has some, what is it called, salmonella, those kind of thingy that is not very good. So I thought maybe we can use this and then we never need to touch the egg ever again. Here I have my bowl. They said you just put the egg in here, close it, press so that you can make like a hole in the egg. Yeah. Oh! Let's see if it's actually working. Oh my god! It's actually working! Honestly, when I first bought it, I thought this is a scam for sure. There is no way this is going to work. But it works, you guys. I would rate it 9 out of 10. It is almost perfect. Okay, so far so good. Let's go to the next tools. What is this, you guys? What is this? It has a knife here. It has something that you can turn the knife around. It is not a merry-go-round. It is an apple peeler. I'm gonna show you guys how it works. First feeling, this is kind of flimsy, like many of the stuff that I have here. So when I first have it, I was like, there is no way it will be able to deal with an apple. Let's see. This is the apple peel that it was able to peel out. I could not do this. 5 years of training, 10 years of training, I could never do this. This machine did it in 5 seconds. When I used it for the first time, my jaw was on the floor. I didn't think it's gonna work, but it worked, you guys. It works, and it works really well. 10 out of 10. No, 11 out of 10. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you guys is this. Guess what this is? I know it's a car already. And not only I have a car, I also have a heart or a little bear like this. What is this? What is this? Here's your option. Ready? It is an egg shaper. So first you need some hard-boiled egg. Let's try this one. You open it and then you squeeze the egg in here. Then you close it. I guess you can open it again. I don't know. Ready? What is this? Huh? I don't see anything. So clearly this doesn't work because the egg is just too small for it. So that's why it doesn't show. So I am not a person who is easily to give up. Okay, so here is my idea. Since they are both sides of them have the rabbit, let's just try to squeeze it in one side first. So now it's gonna push it down a little bit. See, it's a bit harder to get in now. I think it's gonna work this time. I think so. Hello. but it also break the whole thing. Okay, new approach. What if I just like press it down without having the other one? Maybe it's work like that. Let's see. I think I got scammed, you guys. I don't think that time will change it. That's what I don't believe. That's why I think it's like basically like a one-time mold. You press it and then either it change or it's not changing. Let's leave it aside and see if it's actually changing later. But you know what could work pretty well in here as well? We could use this to shape rice. And I'm 100% sure that it is going to work. Just need to put some rice in here. Ready? Okay, I was wrong. This thing is a complete waste of money. Let's see if the egg car actually turned into a car in one side. Oh my god! Guys! Yay! How do I show it to you? Can you see it? You see it? Maybe all you need is just time and a lot of paper. This, like I was about to rate this 0 out of 10, but then when I tried to press it and then I look how beautiful it looked, if I can manage to press it or if I have a giant chicken eggs, I would rate it 3 out of 10. Just for the aesthetic. If you watch my short often enough, you surely would know my next tool, this one. Let's do the guessing game again. What is this? No, it's not a drinking cup. It is not for drinking and it is quite heavy. The answer is, it is a egg opener as well. But it's not a normal egg opener like I showed you before. It is an egg opener for soft-boiled egg. So you can eat it elegantly instead of just chop it off like that. To test this tool, we would need a tiny cup, preferably an egg cup like this, a soft-boiled egg, and we need the tool. So this is kind of a physics thing, I must say. And I have no clue how it works because there is nothing like a sharp part or anything in this, but you put it on top of the egg, you pull this thingy, and then when the bowl goes back, there would be some kind of forces coming down that crack the top part open beautifully. Not working. It's actually a very tricky tool because either you make it too hard or you make it too soft, or like now I'm doing it too hard and I break the whole egg down. But that is the idea. See? A very cool tool. 10 out of 10. Okay, so our next kitchen tool is this one. Probably some of you already know it. You guys get what this is. There's a knife here and there is this part that looks like a comb. But it's not a comb, okay? And it's also not a real knife because it is not sharp. This is an avocado cutter. I bought it after I heard that my friend got into a knife accident while trying to cut avocados. I was like, yes, I need something to save myself. So yeah, this is how you use it. Cut the avocado into a half. I am not sure if it's sharp enough for that though. Okay, this part is useless. You see, it's not sharp enough. So although it make a hole, it also make everything mushy inside because it doesn't glide very good. I gave up. Let's save the rest by using a knife. And then you use this part to scrape the avocado out. Honestly, I highly doubt that. I don't think it's gonna work at all. But we'll see, we'll see. What? What? My god, it's actually work! Oh my god, this is not a scam! I was not scammed! Oh my god, it's beautiful! I mean, you could just use a spoon and have the same effect though. But this is way cooler. I would like to rate this 7 out of 10. I am definitely a victim of the next two. I saw it online and it looked really real, so I thought that it's real. But now that I use my common sense, the chance of it being actually useful is very low. But we will see. I have not tried it yet as well. Guess, what is this? So it has this spraying part here that you can spray the mist out, and kind of a drilling part here with some hole. What is this? Ready? It is a lemon spray. It looked too good to be true, but let's see. I have the lemon, the one that they show on the video as well, like the big one, and they said to like roll it so that it's a little bit softer. Then we kind of need to cut a little bit at the top, and then we just squeeze it in here. So the idea is you plug it in, and then now if you want to have salad or anything or like food, you just press this button and then it's going to spray in your food. There's no way it's going to work. No way. Let's see. It's spray, you guys. And it was like strong spray, not even like this. It's real. I am speechless. 10 out of 10. No question asked. I also have this tool. I think it is quite easy for you guys to guess, right? What is this? This is a apple cutter or fruit cutter in general. Anything that is round like this, it's gonna work. You put it in the middle of the apple and you press it down. Let's see if it's working. So the marketing for it is very smart because it looks like it's an easy job. It's not. It's actually a very hard job. You have to press so freaking hard. I would rather use a knife. But here we are, so... Okay, wait. Cutting apple, 2 out of 10. I don't like it. It's like kind of a creative idea to cut the fruit, but in reality, it is not practical at all. This is the thing. Here are some holes. Guess what it will do with the apple? Guess. We use it to shred the apple into pieces. So you put the apple in here, kind of pressing it so that it stays in one place. And then you start spinning it, and then spaghetti apple will come out. Very resourceful, and you have spaghetti apple. This tool is 12 out of 10. Also, it is not flimsy at all. I think it's actually from Germany. It's crazily strong, crazily reliable, can last you for generations. Okay, next we have this. Can you guess? What is this good for? Ready? The answer is, it is used to make rice bowl. If you can see, here they have like very cute smiley face here as well. So you just put the rice in here and then you close it. And now you're going to shake it. Let's see if it's actually some beautiful rice bowl. Oh my god, I love this tool so much. That's actually rice bowl, guys. I mean, to be fair, you could just put them on your hand and squeeze it, and you would have a fairly okay bowl as well. Doesn't even look much different, is it? But if you don't want to just have your hands sticky, and this is fun though. 10 out of 10. I could sit there all day and shake this to make rice bowl. I have no complaint about this. Okay, next item. What is this, you guys? Maybe you know already. This is easy, right? It's a garlic presser. And let's see if it's worked out or not. I already know, but I want you guys to see it. Ready? So as you can see, there is a little bit coming out here, which is quite promising. Like, I remember when I first used it, it's not working at all. That's why I was super disappointed by it, but maybe I just used it wrong. Maybe I have to cut it small like this. Now it's not that bad actually. But to be honest, by the time I finish chopping this garlic with this thingy, I can just easily use the knife. And this is literally way more work than using the knife, and now I have to clean it with a lot of holes in here. 4 out of 10, just because of, I would say, the design and the ambition of whoever created this. It's just not executed good yet. Okay, let's move on to the next tool. What is this, everybody? What is this? It has a thingy thing to spin it, and have something like this too. Ready? Here's the option. Ready? It is a pasta maker! Honestly, this is the most expensive thing that I bought among all of the things I just showed you. Why did I buy it? I am another victim of the TikTok trend to make pasta at home. So that's why today we're going to see if this machine is working well. Can it actually make pasta or not? First of all, we kind of need pasta first. Yep, that's the whole thing. I don't know if it's just the food influencer talking, but they always say that making pasta is crazily easy. All you need is eggs and flours, and possibly some salt. I don't know. I would not put it in there. I have a bowl of dough. Took a long time to knead it until this stage, but it's not sticky anymore. Now you can just use the pasta machine to like make it flat first. Yeah, so we have a piece of pasta like this. Now you can make lasagna with it, or you can just cut it into other smaller pieces so that it looks like a real piece of pasta. There is 2 functions here. So this one is for making the flat pasta, and then you move to this one to cut the pasta, or you move to this one to basically make noodles. This is why I really like this tool, because not only pasta, I can make also Vietnamese noodle out of it. I want to show you how pasta looks like first. Ladies and gentlemen, we have pasta. I would rate this 7 out of 10. Actually, I had a lot of fun filming this video. Before I started, I thought to myself that 80% of the stuff that we try today will not be working very well. And surprisingly, 80% of them actually work. I will use them way more often now. And please, if you guys like this video, let me know by follow, like it, and write the comment section so that I will make a second part, because I do want a second part. This is so much fun. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!